Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe. It's the cucumber juice. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. So guys, 2, 4, 6 okra. These okra, I rinse them in warm water, running hot water. Also, the cucumber. 2 cucumber, green ones. 1 lemon. 2 teaspoons vanilla. Piece of ginger. I will find a little piece of celery in the refrigerator, so I'm just going to add it to it. And 1 tablespoon of honey or 2 tablespoons. You can use whatever sweetener you want to your likeness. So guys, the okra juice I'm making, it is good to have in the morning. The okra is a nutritious food with many health benefits. It's rich in magnesium, fiber, folate, antioxidant, and vitamin C, and vitamin K1, and vitamin A. Female, this is very good for you. When you drink this, your man won't leave you. He will stick to you because it lubricate. A lot of female have dryness. The okra, it lubricate that area, make it wet and juicy. So first you just want to remove the head from the okra like this. And then you're just going to cut. They also said it reduces high blood pressure and people that diabetic. It's good for pain, joint pain, a lot of stuff, guys. The okra juice, I'm telling you, it has so many benefits. I was peeling my lemon. Let me just take the skin off. The cucumber, I think this big enough. So guys, let's move on. I will be using a juice extractor. If you don't have a juice extractor, then you have to use a blender. And if you're going to use a blender, then you would have to cut the cucumber, slice it up, just like how I do the okra, to put in the blender. Also, you use a ginger in the blender. And the lemon, just the same, but I'm using the juice extractor. I'm not adding any water whatsoever to this okra juice that I'm doing. So with the juice extractor, you don't have to cut the cucumber unless it is too big to hold it. So let's go. Put my lemon in. We're just gonna put it in the extractor. You see all the juice coming from the lemon. With your okra, you're just gonna put it in the cucumber juice. This is our water we're using. Okay, and you're gonna pour the vanilla in and 1 tablespoon of honey. Or you can put more honey if you want. You just make it to your sweetness or your lightness. Guys, if you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. and hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So looking at our juice now, we're just going to place it on the NutriBullet. So our okra juice, you're just going to place some ice. Place some ice in my glass. So guys, the okra juice is now ready and it's looking so refreshing. Not too thick and not too thin, just the way you want it to be. No water added. 100% okra juice with lemon, ginger, and cucumber. Guys, thank you for watching. You enjoyed this video today, please give it a try and leave in the comment some of the benefit about the cucumber juice and what it have done for you and all of that. Just share with other people. I thank you guys for watching D-Don Kitchen. Love. Peace. Until next time. One love.